Nobody wants to spend a lifetime looking for their dream home, right? So today, I'm going to tell you how to make auto search work for you.
You better get fired up!
Alright, so there are a million ways you can look at homes. You can go on open houses, you can get a realtor to show you homes, you can do a lot of the research today, especially online for yourself, right? In the privacy of your own home. But today I want to give you 3 big things that doing an auto search does for you as a benefit. Alright, so right off the bat, number 1 is just getting used to the market, right? Getting a feel for it. So you can sit for months, and this is what I really recommend. For months in the privacy of your own home, on an auto search, all the brand new stuff on the market comes to you. If there's a price change, it comes to you. If it's new to the market, it comes to you. And when it comes, you can sit and look on it at night while you're watching TV, and you can start to absorb the market, right? So not only are you seeing all the new stuff in the price reduced homes, but you're starting to understand that $130, $140 a square foot is pretty normal, right? You're starting to understand what a kitchen in your price range looks like. You're starting to see the difference between a 3-bed home and a 4-bed home when it comes to price. So when you finally do decide to make that move with a realtor, you've already got that base and you already have a little bit of experience when it comes to that real estate market. Alright, before we go any further, guys, I want you to go over here to my Facebook business page, and don't forget to check out my Instagram page. You're going to get loads of information on everything real estate all day long. Alright, so the second big thing with an auto search that really benefits you, and this isn't really true when you're talking about Zillow, Trulia, Redfin, right? This is more when you're working with a guy like me, a realtor that's working at one of the big brokerages, and they can hook you up on their auto search. If I, as a realtor, hook you up, my buyer, on an auto search, you can immediately reply to that email that those homes came out on and say, hey Joe, I really like this house, but I see it's got 3 bedrooms and there's kind of a weird room in the back. Can I turn that into a 4th bedroom, or what can I do with that? And I can instantly respond to you. You're gonna get instant back and forth, right? So one of the big pluses for you is not only are you getting a feel for the market, but you're able to ask in-depth questions to an experienced expert, giving you even more insight than you thought you'd originally know. Alright, so the third one is a big one. I touched on it a little bit in number 1, but here I want to get more in depth. When that brand new home comes onto the market, when you get a home that just price reduced out of a major price point into your price point, you're going to be the first one to see it, right? That's huge. And here's why. You're able to call up your realtor and say, I saw this one just pop up. I want to see it tonight. I want to see it tomorrow morning. And because we're in right now a seller's market, you might not have to compete with as many people as you otherwise would if you saw it a day or 2 later, right? It gives you a huge competitive advantage to be on that auto search. Alright guys, those are the 3 big reasons that you want to be on auto search, right? The reasons you're going to benefit from being on an auto search. If you like this video, I want you to go hit like, hit subscribe, and my gosh, do not forget to check out my Facebook and Instagram, alright? I appreciate it, guys, and you stay fired up.